Get ready. Start. Citizenship is associated majorly with political privileges and that of being able to belong. Stop. In an ever evolving world and with politically organized societies, being left out can be frightfully disturbing, for it brings along generational existential insecurity. Stop. The idea of state is man-made and abstract, yet holds utmost significance when it comes to belongingness. Stop. It is correct that one can be known for the village he resides in, the religion he follows, the caste he was born in, the language he speaks or the occupation he pursues, however, since the very primitive days, it is the membership to a politically organized community, the state, that carries with it functional rights and duties. Stop para. Even as human beings, we hold certain moral obligations and rights, yet, in true sense, these rights are only enforceable when backed with political recognition provided under the legal regime of a state. Stop. All spheres of our life circle around the state we are a part of. Stop. For instance, medical needs, schooling, employment, everyday security and protection, all depend upon and revolve around one's membership to a state. Stop. In its absence, kiosk is inevitable. Stop. Yet surprisingly, as per the UNHCR, there are many millions globally who lack an identity and are stateless. Stop para. Not to be a citizen is directly proportionate to living a life in predation, for such persons are not covered by any law or jurisdiction. Stop. They can be detained for the very reason of being stateless. Stop. If they are ripped of their possessions, it is little they can do, for there is no police station that would report the incident. Stop. They can easily be made to part ways with their families. Stop. Hunger, diseases, survival, sex, and unawareness are part of their lives, making them absolutely vulnerable to numerous wrongs. Stop. For every wrong inflicted upon them, there are no doors they can knock or authorities they can approach, and eventually it's a perpetual loop of dreadful nightmares they are stuck with for the remaining days, months, and years of their lives. Stop. Even after all the odds, if they do wish to survive, it is only the illegal routes that are available. Stop. Either way, they have to settle between the devil and the deep sea. Stop para. As far as the Indian scenario is concerned, there are many who have taken refuge in India. Stop. However, countless persons still roam around, carrying anonymous identities, hiding away from the civil authorities. Stop. In August 2019, the state of Assam released a list of persons who were eligible to register themselves as Indian citizens. Stop. The purpose behind having a national register of citizens in bracket NRC was to prevent influx of illegal migrants from other parts of the world. Stop. Almost around 19 lakh people were removed from the NRC and their fates were left with the hands of those privileged. Stop. To be called an Indian, one has to furnish proofs of his residence in India before the cutoff date, that is 25/3/1971. Stop. Accordingly, documents evidencing that the person himself or his ancestors have entered the country before the cutoff date are must. Stop. Over.